With direct download links, your files can be accessed and downloaded instantly without redirecting to Google Drive. So let's look how to create direct download links for Google Drive. Here I have one video file in Google Drive and I want to create direct download links for this video file. For this, right-click on the file. Then select Share option. In the next drop-down, select Share option. Under General Access, change Restricted option to Anyone with the Link option. Next, click on Copy Link bottom. This will copy the link of video file. Next, click on Done button. In the next browser tab, open this link. I will provide the link in description. Under Enter your sharing URL, paste down the URL you have copied earlier. Then click on Create Direct Link. This is the direct download link. Just copy down this link. Next, paste down the link. And then press Enter button. You can see now I am able to download directly from the link. The link I have provided is Google official Google Direct Download Link Generator page. If you want to know how it works, then you can see here this is my shareable link with file ID is shown here. Once you have the file ID, you can create the direct download link using the following format. Replace file ID with the actual file ID of your file. Here's an example with the file ID from the example I have shown earlier. In this way we can create download direct link. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.